guys, I am your Keep Tech Buddy, and in this video I'll tell you that how to create a quiz in the Google form. So let's start our video after this short break. So creating a quiz in Google form is very easy and it's quite simple also. So for making this Google form, you need to open your browser first. So here I am using Google Chrome. Once you have opened your browser, search Google Drive, and now you can see your Google Drive, and simply click here and select My Drive, and here you can see all your documents in your drive, and then click here New, and here you can see many options, and then select More, and here you can see two options, blank form, from a template. So if you want a template, then you can select from a template, and if you want to create from scratch, then you can select blank. So first I will tell you that how to create from a template. So here you can see many types of template, and it will look somewhat like this. So once you will select this, it will take some time to open. And here you can see in this you can do some changes, but this is not a quiz. So for creating a quiz, you need to start from scratch. And now you can select blank form to start from scratch. And here you can see this untitled form. And here you can see two windows, questions and responses. So in responses, you can see the responses which will come here. And this is your main Google form. So now you need to do some settings before making your form. So click the settings, and here you can see some general instructions. So first in general, if you want to collect email addresses, then you can select this, and if you want response receipts, then you can click this. So requires sign in, limit to one response. So this feature only works if you have collected the email address, and if the person will try to submit another response, then he or she cannot submit that response because it is limited to one response only. And here you can see respondents can edit after submit, see summary charts and text responses. So if you have submitted once, then you can edit. So if you want to enable this feature, then you can enable or you can simply disable. And in presentation, you can see show progress bar, shuffle question order, and once the person will click the submit button, he or she can see this confirmation message. So you can change this confirmation. So now I have changed the confirmation, and in quizzes, you can make this a quiz. So I am basically focusing on this topic, that how to make a quiz. So enable this, and here you can see release mark immediately after each submission and later after manual review. So you can select any one of these, but here I am selecting immediately after each submission. And here you can see respondent can see missed questions, correct answers, point values. So if you want to disable any of these points, then you can simply disable it by clicking on it and then select save. And then you have to change the background. So here you can see customize theme, and in theme you can choose a header, theme color, background color and font. So first I will add a header. Once you will click this option, you can add header from here or upload your photos. So here I am uploading my photo. Once you have selected your photo, simply click on it and it will upload. And then you need to crop this. So here I am cropping my image. And then you have to select done. So now you can see the header here, and you can change the theme color also. So now you can see that the theme color is changed, and here you can change the background color. So I have changed it to this color, and here you can change the font style. So here it is basic, you can change it to any of these fonts. So here I am selecting playful, and once you have done these settings, simply click this close option. And now your settings are done, and now you need to focus on your form. So here you have to change the title of the form. So now I am renaming it to GK quiz. And here you can add font description, and you can also leave this. And here the person will enter his or her email address. Here you can see this star sign, which means that this is necessary. And here is the first question. So you can change the format of this question, multiple choice, drop down or check boxes. So you can change it to anyone whichever you want. So here I am making it a multiple choice question. Then you need to enter the first option and here you can click add option. So this will add one more option. So you can add options in this way. And you can also add pictures to your option. For example, in option 4 you can add image. So here I am selecting image. So now you can see option 4 is high. And here you can add another option, and if you will click add other, then the person can answer any other option. So here you can see in this way we can create question. And there are some more features. So first feature is that you need to enter answer key to this. So here you can see this is of 0 points. So if you will add 1, this will be of 1 marks or 1 point. So here I am making it of 5 points. And here you can add answer feedback. So here you can enter the text whichever you want to add for incorrect answers and correct answers. And then simply click done. So now here you can see this is of 5 points. And here you can see duplicate. If you will click this duplicate, then you can see the same question will appear here also. And if you will click this delete, the question will be deleted. And here you can see this required button. Previously I told that email is required, so this is appearing as this star. So if you will click this required, this question will also be marked as star. And here in this options, here you can see description. Go to section based on answer, shuffle option order. So if you will select shuffle option order, it will shuffle option order automatically. And here you can see add one more question. So if you will click this, here you can see one more questions. You can change it to any one of these short answer paragraph. And here you can see import questions. So if you have made any form previously, then you can copy the question from that only. And here you can add title and description, add image, add video. So these 3 settings you can do it on your own. And this is the last setting which you need to do. And here you can see add section. So here you can see section 2 of 2. In the first section it was of GK quiz, and in the second question you can rename it also. So now I have renamed it as maths quiz. And in this way you can create a quiz in Google Forms. And one more settings you need to do in answer key is that you need to select the right option. So here I am selecting high as the right option. And then you need to select done. And now your Google form is complete. And if you want to preview it, you can simply click on this option to preview. And here you need to enter your email address, and now you need to answer these questions. So first I am entering my email address, and then you need to select the answer. So here I am selecting the right answer, and then you need to click next. And here you can see submit and back. So simply click submit. And here you can see the confirmation message. And here you can click this option to view your score. So now you can see my score is 5 out of 5. So in this way you can submit your Google form. And then you can also, and now in responses you can see the response by quicktechbuddy.help@gmail.com. And you can also see the timing. And now if you need to send, you can simply click the send option to send the Google form via email, or you can copy the link. So in this way you can make your Google form, you can send your Google form, and you can collect responses from others also. So if you have learned something new today, then like this video. And if you are new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you can get every update from my channel. Thanks for watching.